Today, I'll show you how raw white marble becomes a $10,000 luxury freestanding bathtub. Subscribe for more.
Look at the quality of this vein here.
Yes, marking it now for extraction.
First, the raw marble is crushed into small stones, preparing it to be turned into fine powder. Pure marble powder is mixed with high-grade liquid acrylic resin to create a durable, flawless liquid stone. A high-powered vacuum extracts every single air bubble, guaranteeing the bathtub will never crack. Advanced robotics polish the stone with diamond pads and purified water to achieve a flawless, luxury gloss. Every $10,000 bathtub undergoes a strict pressure and water retention test to ensure lifetime American durability. Every $10,000 bathtub undergoes a strict pressure and water retention test to ensure lifetime American durability.
Look at that shine.
It's perfect, exactly what the client wanted.
Yeah, this house is gonna be incredible.
From raw stone in the quarry to the ultimate centerpiece of a luxury American bathroom.
And that's exactly how we build world-class luxury bathtubs for America. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.